In 2017, we've added even more great capabilities to really make rendering indispensable to your design workflow. In Vectorworks 2017, you now have the ability to import textures from Cinema 4D. This allows you to increase your Vectorworks library content by importing textures that you've created in Cinema 4D, or by using textures from libraries that you've purchased or found online. All you need is a Cinema 4D file containing the textures. We can import the C4D file into our Vectorworks drawing by clicking File, Import, Import Cinema 4D Textures. Just choose the C4D file and click Open. The textures from the file will be imported into your current document so you can access them through the Resource Manager. To help you keep your resources organized, we've created a folder in the Resource Manager that contains the imported textures. The folder will have the same name as the C4D file. Open the folder up and take a look at its contents. The textures can be modified just like a texture that was created in Vectorworks. When you edit the texture, you'll see the shader pop-ups like usual, but some or all may say imported. This means the shader was imported from Cinema 4D. Cinema 4D shaders may be quite complicated. If we look at the texture in Cinema 4D, we can see that the texture is made up of many channels. These channels each have their own layers, and the layers have different parameters. For this reason, the imported shaders can't be directly modified in Vectorworks, but they can be easily overridden. For instance, you may like the bump shader but want to change reflectivity of the imported wood texture. Click on the reflectivity shader pop-up and choose glass. This will add the glass reflectivity you want, but the remaining shaders will still use the imported settings. You can always revert back to the imported shader settings by clicking on the pop-up menu and choosing Imported. The texture will behave the same as a native Vectorworks texture. They can be scaled and mapped appropriately on the applied object.